So here we are demonstrating double row rotator cuff repair. So there are two anchors for the medial row. This is VIMFIX-PK 5.5mm double rotated suture anchor. It is also available in 4.5mm in double and triple rotated. This suture anchor which we are demonstrating comes with a wire and the tape. This is VIMFIX LRP suture anchor with the PEEK tip. This is VIMFIX LRT with titanium tip used for the lateral row anchor. How to use it, that we are going to demonstrate. So first, over the medial row, we will use this punch to create the pilot over the medial border of the footprint. So we will go up to the first laser mark. So once first laser mark inserted, in the same pilot hole, VIMFIX-PK 5.5mm double rotated suture anchor with suture and the tape is inserted. Sutures. Pull the handle, check the pull-out strength, and repeat the same step. So once both the simple stitches are taken, it is time to do double row repair. For double row repair, both the tapes from the first anterior suture anchor we will insert posteriorly like this, and both the tapes from the posterior suture anchor we will use anterior knotless anchor to create our double row repair configuration. So first we will use tape to create a pilot hole for this LRP suture anchor. It has a peak tip, so it will require creation of pilot hole. There are two laser marks here. The second laser mark is used for the LRP suture anchor. So over the lateral row, mark our insertion site. So it is inserted up to second laser mark. Now take first two tapes passed from the cuff tissue of the anterior anchor. Pass these two suture tip from the eyelet, and then it is pulled so that it will pass through the eye of the tip of the LRP suture anchor. Now it is kept taut. This eye should be facing the cuff tissue, and the threads which are coming should be faced laterally. After keeping the sutures tight, it is passed in the same direction through the same hole, and then hammering is done. While hammering, the suture should be kept little bit lax. Around up to one first thread of the anchor it should be inserted, and then clockwise rotation is done, and before rotating there should be manual tension of both the tapes, and then it should be tied over the slot given on the side. So it is tied over the slot, the tapes are kept tight, and then it is rotated clockwise. So it will go inside while rotating the tip. Now the retention suture is unwinded. So this is known as the retention suture. It is used to hold the anchor in positions. You can remove it, or you can use this. If there any dog here, you can pass this thread to the dog here and push the dog here down. But now here we don't require this, so we will remove. So we will cut both of these tapes. So we have passed both the tapes from the front anchor to the backward anchors. Now the advantage of LRT anchor is you don't have to punch a pilot hole before inserting the anchor. Since it is a titanium tip, you can directly insert the anchor here. So now these tapes have a suture tip, and it is passed through the suture passer eyelet, and then it is pulled so that from the tip of the anchor both the tapes are passed. As you can see, the eyelet is very big. So advantage of this suture anchor is you can pass up to 6 sutures together. Keep a tension over the sutures. Mark at the desired position. Reach up to the laser mark. Tension over both the tapes. Pull the tapes and wind it over the side slot given on both the sides. So tightly hold the handle and rotate. So until the anchor becomes flush to the bone, stop rotating. Now cut both the tapes once anchor is inserted. You can either remove the retention suture, or if there is any dog here, even after finishing the repair, you can use this suture to press the cuff tissue down. and then you can tighten it so the dog ear will close down. So this is our final configuration of double row repair. So we have done medial row repair with 2 simple stitches and double row repair with a crisscross type of configuration with 1 LRP suture anchor, LRT suture anchor and 2 medial row 5.5 mm PEEK suture anchors.